This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Facebook. First, log into your Facebook account using your preferred browser or the mobile application. Once you are successfully logged in, navigate to the main menu. This menu is often represented by 3 horizontal lines, or sometimes your profile picture, typically found in the top or bottom right corner. This is your starting point for managing account settings. After opening the main menu, scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy option and then tap on it. Next, select Settings from the expanded list. Once inside the main settings, scroll down again. You will typically find a section dedicated to Payments or Facebook Pay. Click on this to proceed to your payment methods. Within the Payments section, you should see a button or link that says Add Payment Method. Click on this. From the choices presented, select PayPal to initiate the connection. You will then be securely redirected to the official PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal account credentials to authorize the connection between the two services. Once you have successfully logged into PayPal, you will see a confirmation screen. This screen details the permissions you are granting for the connection to Facebook. Carefully review this information, then click Agree and Connect or a similar confirmation button. You will be redirected back to Facebook, where your PayPal account will now be listed as an available payment option, ready for various transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.